An employee reports that their printer is not responding, even though it's connected to the network. Quick fix. Check printer power and connections. Ensure the printer is turned on and properly connected to the computer or network. Restart the printer and computer. Power cycle both devices to refresh connections. Verify printer settings. Make sure the correct printer is selected as default in the system settings. Check for paper jams. Open the printer and remove any stuck paper. Update printer drivers. Install the latest drivers from the manufacturer's website.